Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss the term poetic justice. Introduction. Poetic justice is a term that originated with Thomas Rhymer, an English critic of the later 17th century. It refers to the idea of distributing earthly rewards and punishments to characters at the end of a literary work in proportion to their virtues or vices. Rhymer believed that a poem, including dramatic tragedies, exists in an ideal realm governed by principles of decorum and morality, distinct from the unpredictable nature of the real world. This video explores the concept of poetic justice, its implications for literary works, and how it has been received by critics and literary writers over the years. The ideals of poetic justice. Thomas Rhymer's concept of poetic justice posits that a literary work should adhere to a moral framework where characters receive their just deserts based on their actions and moral qualities. In this ideal realm, virtue is rewarded and vice is punished. The concept serves as a guiding principle for authors to create narratives that promote ethical conduct and uphold societal values. The clash with tragic suffering. While poetic justice aims to maintain a harmonious balance between actions and consequences, it encounters a significant challenge in the portrayal of tragic suffering. Tragedy often involves characters with tragic flaws, leading to their downfall despite their virtues. If poetic justice were strictly applied, such suffering would not be possible, as it exceeds what the characters might have deserved. Tragedy as a genre explores the complexities of human nature and the inevitability of suffering, transcending the notion of simple rewards and punishments. Reception of poetic justice. Since Rhymer's time, poetic justice has been met with varying degrees of acceptance. Critics and literary writers have grappled with the balance between moral correctness and the exploration of human complexities. While some endorse the idea of justice in literature to uphold societal norms, others argue for the importance of depicting the human condition realistically, with all its flaws and challenges. The role of tragedy and character development. Tragic suffering serves a crucial purpose in literature by providing a deeper understanding of human nature. Tragedy allows characters to confront their flaws and confront their morality, leading to personal growth and self-realization. The absence of poetic justice in tragic works elevates them to a realm of profound reflection on the human condition. Conclusion. Poetic justice, as coined by Thomas Rhymer, embodies the ideal distribution of rewards and punishments in literature based on the virtues and vices of characters. However, its rigid application clashes with the genre of tragedy, which explores the complexities of human suffering beyond simple justice. The concept has been a subject of debate among critics and writers, with some advocating for its adherence to moral principles and others embracing the exploration of human complexities. Ultimately, the interplay of poetic justice and tragedy enhances the depth and realism of literary works, enriching our understanding of the human condition. So this was the discussion on the term poetic justice. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us.